welcome to an evening of Croatian opera and dance. We'll trust you'll have a very enjoyable night as culture returns to the city.
We are very proud to be delivering this opera recital tonight, as this type of musical event hasn't been seen in Australia for over 20 years. For many of you, and me included, it will be the first taste of Croatian opera and hopefully not the last.
The musical traditions within Croatia are absolutely marvellous and they deserve to be better known. And the only way people are going to get to know them is if they actually hear them.
We are a talented nation. We are a talented people. Opera isn't just Italian or German or Austrian. We have proof that it's also Croatian. I'm so proud to be here tonight to celebrate a night of Croatian opera and dance and culture.
It's the first time I've seen a Croatian opera and heard a Croatian opera perform, so this is so significant for me. It's just so beautiful to see opera sung in our language, in the Croatian language.
I thought they were fantastic. It was very glamorous, it was very intimate. I actually shed a tear, which is not like me with songs.
I had great evening, unbelievable. Didn't expect it, but I enjoyed so very much. It's just beautiful.
It was a great combination for me of culture, family, great friends and opera. What more could I ask for?